So how do you turn off the automatic saving of pictures in iMessage on the iPhone? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So we can get inside our settings app as usual, and you can browse the basic stuff, but at the bottom you can find apps right in here, and when you click on apps, as such, every single built-in or third-party app has its own settings menu, and we are basically interested in finding the messages in here. So you can see part of M, click on messages as such, and here is like a huge list of all of the things you can change. For downloading photos from iMessage, we want to click on the option which says shared with you, and this is essentially the automatic sharing, meaning that if you receive some kind of media or something specific in your chats, it might automatically be saved in that particular app where it belongs, right? So for example, the Audible, books, files, and so on. But one of the options is photos, and it basically means that as long as you have it turned on like this, right, the photos, videos which you receive through iMessage will be shared with the Photos app, meaning that they will be actually saved in the gallery. So make sure you disable the photos or even turn off the whole thing at the top if you don't ever want to get anything from the messages to be or showing up in other apps. So depends on how you have it or how you want to have it, but the Photos app is kind of important because you don't want the pictures to go to the gallery, and that's like the whole thing. So that's essentially everything you need to know about it. If you need some more resources, definitely check out the rest of the channel, but definitely also subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.